In this video, we are going to understand how to find out the percentage values of the reciprocals from 1 to 30. Hello my awesome students, welcome back to my channel Akshar. I am Nana and I make videos related to short tricks of the mathematics. So let's start our today's topic, how to find out the percentage value of the reciprocal numbers. So we are going to learn the trick that how to find out the reciprocal of the numbers from 1 to 1 by 30. Okay, so for that, you know that we know some reciprocal values already in the percentage, and using those values we are going to derive the percentage values for the another reciprocals. For example, we all know that 1 by 1 is equal to 100. Okay, also we know that 1 by 2 is equal to 50, 1 by 3 is equal to 33%, and 1 by 4 is equal to 25%, and 1 by 5 is equal to 20%. Also we know that 1 by 10 is equal to 10%, 1 by 20 is equal to 5%, 1 by 30 is equal to 3.3%, and 1 by 25 is equal to 4%. Okay, everyone knows that these are very simple values, and using these values we are going to find out the values for other fractions, other reciprocals. Okay, so how we are going to find out? So coming to this, we are going to find out the values for other reciprocals in the pairs. Pairs means 1 by 6 and 1 by 16 will have the reciprocal answers. Means if I have to find out the percentage value of 1 by 6, then my percentage value will be in the 16. So it will be 16 point, write down this 6 two times, so this will be 16.66. Okay, and if I have to find out the value for 1 by 16, so 1 by 16 will be what? My answer will be 6.25%. This is my 6, because 6 and 16 are making pair of each other, so this is the 0.25. Okay, then coming to next part, next pair is what? My next pair is 7 and 14. Means, so percentage value of 1 by 7 will be what? Answer will be in the 7, and the 7 and 14 makes pair of each other, so answer will be 14 point, and do the double of this value, 14 to the 28. Okay, but if I have to find out the percentage value of 1 by 14, so my answer will be what? 7, because 1 by 14 and 7 are making pair of each other, 7, and write down this 14 as it is, so you will get your answer. Okay, so coming to next pair is what? 1 by 8 and 1 by 12. So now you know that what does the pair means. If I have to find out the percentage value of this reciprocal 1 by 8, so my answer will be what? My answer will be 12 point and this 5. Okay, so see, if these are the after the decimal values, if you will make digit one upper or one lower, then it hardly matters in your calculations. Okay, the main part is that you have to remember your first part. So if you are able to remember the last part, then also it is fine, but in the exam if you will take the value 12.4 or 12.6, so it doesn't matter, it will hardly matters in your calculation. Okay, you will get almost near answer, right? So next, 1 by 8, and the pair of 1 by 8 is what? Pair of 1 by 8 is 1 by 12. So my answer will be what? My answer will be 8.33. So how you can remember these last two digits? 3. See, 8 is there, 8 and 12 both are divisible by 4, right? So divide the 12 by 4, so you will get 4 3 is the 12 and 4 3 is the 12. Both are divisible by 4, so you can remember with this trick that how to find out the digits after the decimal. Okay, so now what is left? Now in this from 1 to 10 only 9 is left, so 9 makes a pair with what? 9 makes a pair with 11. So if we are going to write down the answer, the percentage value of 1 by 9, so we will get what? 11.1. Write down this as it is. Okay, and if I have to find out the percentage value of 1 by 11, so I will get what? I will get 9.9. Instead of 9, I will get what? This time I will get 9.09. Okay, now Next, coming to next, 1 by 12 is done, 11, 12. See how many values are done now. Okay, so coming to this 1 by 13, right? So in the exam, how you can find out the value of 1 by 13? You know that 13 is how much bigger than 10? 13 is bigger than 10 by 3. So subtract, and the percentage value of 1 by 10 is what? This is 10%. So subtract 3 from 10. So you will get what? You will get 7, and answer will be 7.6. Subtract 13 minus 7. So you will get your second digit and the first digit after the decimal, which is equal to 6, means 13 minus 7. So you will get your first digit after the decimal. Okay, now if you have to find out the percentage value of 1 by 15, so what you have to do, you have to simply subtract 1 from this value of 1 by 13, which is going to give you 6.6%. Okay, which will give you what? Which will give you 6.6%. So if you have to find out the value of 1 by 15 in your exam, then quickly find out the value of 1 by 13, which is very simple, that 13 is 3 bigger than 10. So subtract 3. So 10 minus 3 will be 7, minus 13 minus 7 is what? 6. Then quickly find out the value of 1 by 15. 1 by 15 is what? After subtracting 1 from this value, you will get your value 6.66. Okay, now coming to another pair, 1 by 13 and 1 by 15 are making a pair. Now 1 by 17, 1 by 18 and 1 by 19 are also going to make a pair. Okay, so how to find out the value of all these 17, 18 and 19? So you know that all the three values are near to 5. So all the three values are going to start with 5 only. Okay, but after the decimal, how to find out the digits after the decimal? So simply subtract 17 from 100. If I am going to subtract 17 from 100, then you will get what? You will get 83%. Okay, now instead of subtracting 18 in for this value, we will subtract 0.28 from this value. So we will get our required value, which is equal to 5.55%. Similarly for 19. For 19, what you will do? Instead of subtracting 19, subtract 0.29 from this value and you will get your answer as 5.26. Okay, so in the exam, if you have to find out the value of 1 by 18 or 1 by 19, then quickly find out the value of 17. How you will get the value of 17? You know that it is near to 5, so write down this value as 5 and subtract 17 from 100, you will get 83%. Then this is your 18. You have, suppose you have to find out the value of 18. Now how you will do? You will directly subtract 0.328 from this value and you will get your answer as 5.55. So this trick is not going to take you more than 2 seconds if you have to find out any percentage value of any reciprocal from 1 to 30. Okay, coming to next pair. My next pair is what? My next pair is 1 by 21 to 1 by 24. And so you know that these all four values are near to my 4. Okay, so all these values are going to start with the 4 only. Okay, similarly my last pair is what? My last pair is 26, 27, 28 and 29. So these are near to what? These are near to 30. So all these four values are going to start with 3. So how to find out the last two decimal digits? Last decimal digit, how we will find out? So now take these two values, 21 and 24 simultaneously. Okay, so if I am finding out the value of 21, so what I will do? I will subtract 24 from 100. So if you will subtract 24 from 100, so you will get 76. So this will be your value. Okay, and to write down for this 24, what you will do? You will do 4 into 4 will give you 16. How I get this? 4 into 4. This 4 into this 4. Okay, so in the exam, if you have to find out the percentage value of 1 by 24, so what you will do? You know that it is near to 1 by 25%, and 1 by 25 is what? 1 by 25 is 4. And how to find out the last two decimal digits? 4 into 4, it will give you 16. how much time it has taken. It has not taken more than 1 second. Okay, so moving to the values for 1 by 22 and 1 by 23. So how we will find out 1 by 22 and 1 by 23? This is the number 22. So subtract 0.22 from this value, from the upper value. So you will get your answer as 4.44. Similarly, if you will subtract minus 0.23, so you will get what? You will get 4.31%. Okay, but actually this value is 4.35. So if you want to remember the original value, then you can remember the original value also, that instead of 4.35 it is instead of 4.31 it is what? It is 4.35. So only this value is there, which is making a little bit ring part even after the trick. Okay, so moving to next is what? 26, 27, 28 and 29. Only this much is left. Okay, so now as we are subtracting 24 from this value by making pair with 21 and 24, so similarly we will now 26, 6, 16 and 26 all are same, all are at the same level. So as 6 and 16 were making the pair, so similarly we are going to use 16 value to find out the value of 26. How? We will subtract 16 from 100, so we will get what? We will get 84%. Okay, now what we have to do, instead of in the next step, instead of subtracting with 0.15, we have to do a little more learning part, that we have to subtract 0.14 now. So earlier we were subtracting 0.16, now we have to subtract 0.14. So I will get my 3.70. Now I will subtract 0.13. So I will get 10 minus 3 will be 7, and this will be 7 minus 6, it will become 6. 6 minus 1 will be 5. Now I have to subtract 0.12. So I have to find out this value. Okay. If you find my video useful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get more updates of my new videos. So let's meet in the next video, in which we are going to understand some more tricks related to percentages. Till then, take care and bye bye.